What would happen if aliens attacked Earth? Imagine the moment when humanity first realizes that we're not alone, but this time, it's not just an exploration, it's an invasion. To reach Earth, an alien civilization would need to master interstellar travel, a feat that's light years beyond our own technology. They'd possess not only advanced propulsion, but also intricate knowledge of physics, likely manipulating energy, gravity, and maybe even space-time in ways that would seem like science fiction to us. If they had weaponized these capabilities, we'd be facing tools of destruction far beyond anything in our arsenal. Now, what would this mean for our military technology? Think about our most powerful weapons: the nuclear arsenal, intercontinental ballistic missiles, advanced fighter jets, drones, and cyber weaponry. As mighty as these tools are within our planetary context, they would likely pale against the kind of force an interstellar species could bring. Missiles and traditional explosives would be ineffective against crafts that could likely distort or manipulate gravity to deflect or absorb kinetic attacks. Imagine their ships using cloaking technology or quantum entanglement for instantaneous communication, making our jamming and tracking systems irrelevant. Even our nuclear weapons might be rendered obsolete if these visitors could disrupt nuclear reactions or neutralize radiation. If an invasion unfolded, the immediate human response would be chaotic, but eventually would veer toward defense, resistance, and adaptation. Governments around the world would first scramble to understand the threat and attempt communication, though the language barrier, much less understanding alien motives, could prove daunting. Initially, nations might act independently, deploying fighter jets, anti-aircraft weapons, and even missile defense systems to protect critical infrastructure. But soon, the harsh reality would set in. We'd need a united front. Under such an unprecedented threat, it's likely that national rivalries would dissolve quickly. In the face of a technologically superior species, humanity would have no choice but to pool resources, share intelligence, and coordinate defenses on a global scale. The United Nations would probably establish a new coalition or task force dedicated to planetary defense, perhaps even led by the most scientifically advanced nations, working alongside newly created centralized military commands. Humanity would have to rely not only on military tactics, but on innovation, research, and our unique ability to problem solve under pressure. Scientists, engineers, and strategists would join forces, developing ways to analyze alien technology, strengthen defenses, and perhaps even communicate. While it's hard to say if Earth could win, one thing is clear: an alien invasion would force us to think differently, work together, and push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. It would redefine what it means to be human and, perhaps ironically, become the ultimate test of humanity's survival and unity.